It was a star-studded lineup of acts out in their numbers at dancehall artist Shenseea's album launch held last night. The event, which was held at Ramesh Entertainment headquarters in Kingston, saw the likes of Sean Paul, Beenie Man, Danique, Taurus Riley, and Mr. Lex, along with industry players and government officials, all out showing their support for Shenseea.
I think my favorite song I think I was she and Beenie Man, and Put Your Back in It. I don't know why that's my favorite song, but it's one of my favorite songs too. But it's a good album, and big up to Russian, big up to Ramesh. Y'all did a good job, and I'm impressed, yo. I hope the album go far, for real.
But I represent for Shenseea, Alpha Launch, Big Bad Album, Star Girl, Shiliko Talawa, Respect and Love. You got to be here, Taurus Riley representing.
Shenseea was honored with the show of support she received for her first album, which has been in production for over 3 years.
I feel amazing and I feel chosen. I'm going to start touring actually the end of this month. So yeah, I start out to Puerto Rico and then after that, everywhere else. So you just have to keep up with me on my social media to get notified.
Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul also spoke to EPRAM about teaming up with Shenseea on the track Lying If I Call It Love.
I think Shenseea has been a talent ever since I met her and I supported her. Came on tour with me in 2017. And from then I've been watching her strength, grow strength to strength and make moves that are awesome. And applaud her, proud of her and the team. I'm glad to be on the album. And what else can I say? Big bad tune. People are saying it hit, so I'll accept.
The king of the dancehall, Beenie Man, who was also in attendance at the launch, commended Shenseea on the album.
Great collaboration. Was produced by Chimley Records. It was a great night in the studio. Me and Shenseea and all of us link up together and we make the song and put the song together. Now the song is out and it's great.
Shenseea gave music lovers an amazing treat as she took the stage to deliver tracks that are featured on the project. She brought out collaborators, Beenie Man to perform their single Henkel Glue, and Sean Paul for Lying If I Call It Love. She was also surprised with a diamond necklace from her rumored boyfriend London on the track. The launch in Jamaica follows events held in New York and Miami. Alpha was released on March 11, and just hours after its release, it hit #1 on the iTunes Reggae album chart. Shenseea is set to headline this year's staging of Reggae Sumfest, slated to return after a 2-year hiatus. I'm Deirdre Gordon reporting for ePrime.